Park County, okay.
Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Park County until 6:00 p.m.
Not on 550.
At 5:32 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Fairplay, or 62 miles north of Hayden past Burn Scar, moving south at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Fairplay and Red Hill Pass. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
责任司机他人指定公布，他在联网发布的视频显示，这项援助建议后经人。
What's going on here? I was made aware of climate change.
University leadership and government officials, even President Biden, have said that there is an element of anti-Semitism in the protests.
这场战争，俄罗斯总统普京 Vladimir Putin
Found yourself
So there was a
National Weather Service in Denver. The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe